USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. You can check them out. You can join the Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers here. The link which I want to talk about is the monthly membership. If you want the maximum benefits out of your Forex and gold trading, then go and join the monthly membership. Check out these things, in the end, subscribe and like. Coming back to USD against Canadian, starting with the top-down weekly approach. In weekly, we are going up. Clearly, you can see this blue candle, it and the previous red candle. So we are going up in weekly. Coming back to daily. In daily, we are in the uptrend. As you can see, new trend. Now it's time for pullback, okay? So we have broken this previous high by this candle as clearly seen, okay? So this is the time for a pullback and then continue the uptrend in the coming days. Now coming back to 4 hour, when shall you enter? Use your fib levels, okay? So we have broken the, we have broken above the EMA in 4 hour in last few days. And then uptrend, slight pullback, uptrend. So use your fib level and let the pullback happen. So enter long after every pullback. That's all I would say. But the videos are recorded, so I'm recording the video at different time. You're watching them at a different time, and live opportunities might come at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership. For now, subscribe, like, and share the video with your trading friends. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.